Good morning. I am Pratyusha Chowdhury, Assistant Professor of GRIT. In this video, I would like to discuss Karnaugh maps, also known as K-maps. Karnaugh maps. It is a graphical or pictorial method for simplification of Boolean functions in an easy way, which consists of 2 power n cells for n variables. The adjacent cells are differed only in a single bit position. So you require to use unit distance quote to have this single bit position difference that we'll see in the next slides, which consists of 2 power n cells for n variables. So if my n is equal to 2, then I will be having 4 cells. If my n is equal to 3, I will be having 8 cells. If n is equal to 4, I will be having 2 power 4, that is 16 cells. First example, 2 power 2, that is 2 variable K map, which is having 4 cells. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we are having 2 variables A and B, namely. In SOP form, we will be having all min terms, that is all product terms. In POS form, we will be having max terms, that is sum terms. We know very well that in SOP form, 0 is represented by complement and 1 is represented by true value. Whereas in POS form, 0 is the true value and 1 is its complement of the variable. Okay. First cell is representing the value 0, 0. Okay. First cell is representing the value A0, B0, A0, B0. And second cell M1 is representing A0, B1. Third cell is representing 1, 0. And fourth cell is representing 1, 1. So the product terms are A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar, A, B respectively. This is small m0, m1, m2, m3. Whereas coming to POS form, this cell is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. There are 4 cells, capital M0, capital M1, capital M2, capital M3. So you have to represent the sum terms for each cell. So 0 plus 0 here, 0 is the true value. So it is A plus B, A plus B bar, A bar plus B, and this is last cell is 1, 1, which is A bar plus B bar. You have to group the adjacent cells in such a way that will give you a simplified solution. Let's see how to make the groups. So if all the 4 cells can be grouped, that is the best combination that you can have, so that the answer is going to be 1 in the case of SOP. If all the 4 cells are grouped in POS, the answer is equal to 0. So in order not to have confusion, I'm here taking only SOP form representation for all the K maps, so that in one way we can able to understand the things. Okay. If all the 4 cells are grouped, then the answer is equal to 1. So that means you can take the things common out and the final answer is going to be 1. Then this is one way of making a group. The entire column got selected, then the group value is equal to the column value itself. The column value, I told you already, we are using only SOP form. That is why you can see all our product terms here. So 0 is represented by its complement. So this column value is 0 now. So it is B bar. Next, if this column got selected, the column value is equal to 1. You can also take, if these two terms are given, then it is A bar dot B plus AB. If you take B common out, it is A plus A bar, isn't it? Then A plus A bar is equal to 1. Then this group solution is going to be 1 again. Next one, it is this entire row got selected. If it is so, then the row value itself is going to be the solution, the simplified solution. So it is A bar, A bar. So the common term is here A bar. Next here, this last row got selected. The cell value, the group value is the row value, that is equal to A is equal to 1, which is A. If you take A common also, it is B bar plus B. It is anyway A. In order to, instead of simplifying the equation in logical way, using logical equations way, this is the best way to have a simplified solution. As it is 2 variable K map, you can able to identify the difference. But when it comes to a 4 variable or 5 variable, it is highly impossible to make a groups manually and simplify the solution. That is the reason why we go for K-map simplification. If you have a K-map pictorial diagram, then it is very easy for you to, make the things common in between the cells, and we can make the groups easily to have the simplified solution. Let's have an example. Z is a function which is f of a comma b. There are two variables. It is having the three product terms. See, a bar b bar plus a b bar plus a bar b. All these are product terms. All these are product terms summed together. So that is the reason it is called as SOP form. That is the reason this is called as SOP form. Now you have to remember how this SOP form K-map looks. A bar B bar, A bar B, A bar, A B bar, A B. So instead of going this way, I have a direct slide here so that you can see what are the product terms that you have been given, and you can happily mark it on the K-map. So first term A bar B bar is there, then A B bar is there. So this vertical column has been given. So according to the minterms logic, it is now 1, 1, then it is A bar B. So A bar B, this is also is going to be 1. There is no term called AB. So this cell value is 0. That is what is going to be represented over here. The two variables are A and B. Oh, A and B, okay. They have taken A, B this way. So according to that only, they will simplify the solution, okay. Okay, the entire column got selected. The column value is A is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 and SOP is called A bar. Yes. Next, this entire row got selected. So in SOP, the row value B naught, B is equal to 0 is B bar. So it is A bar and this is B bar. Oh, sorry, these two variables I have changed. Whatever, you are going to have the same answer anyway. A bar, B bar. So the answer is A bar plus B bar. I hope you understand the two variable K-map. It is very basic, basic thing to understand. Next thing is three variable K-map. The three variable K-map I'll cover in the another video. Thank you.